Hi, today we'll cook super simple and delicious pasta carbonara. We'll need 500 grams pasta, 500 grams bacon, 200 grams grana padano cheese or parmesan, 300 milliliters double cream. We put the water to boil for the pasta and add some olive oil and salt. We get the bacon ready. I prefer to cut all the fat and cut it to small pieces. In a pan, heat some olive oil. Then add the bacon. When the water boils, add the pasta. Grate the cheese. Then add the double cream on top. And mix well. Drain the pasta. Add the cheese and double cream over the bacon. And mix together over minimum heat until you get a sauce. Add the pasta. Add some salt and pepper. And it's done. Enjoy! Like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.